If you want one vegetable that rewards you fast, cucumbers are it. They grow quickly, they're forgiving for beginners, and today I'm walking you through exactly how to grow them, what they're actually good for, and a small side of them most people never think about. Let's start with growing. Cucumbers love warm weather, so wait until after your last frost date before planting, when the soil has properly warmed up. If you plant too early, the seeds just sit there and rot instead of sprouting. Once it's warm enough, plant your seeds about an inch deep and give them space, roughly a foot apart if you're growing a bush variety, or set up a trellis if you're growing a vining type. Since vining cucumbers can stretch several feet and climbing saves you a lot of garden space, sunlight is the next big piece. Cucumbers want at least 5 hours of direct sun a day, but if you can give them closer to 8 or 9, they'll reward you with a much bigger harvest. Watered consistently, cucumbers are mostly watered themselves. So if the soil dries out, you'll notice it fast in smaller, bitter-tasting fruit. Keep the soil evenly moist, not soggy, just consistently damp. One small tip that saves a lot of new growers frustration: don't let your cucumbers overgrow on the vine. Pick slicing cucumbers when they're under about 8 inches long. If you leave them too long, they turn tough, bitter and yellow and worse. The plant senses it has produced fruit and actually slows down making new ones. Regular picking keeps the plant producing more. Now let's talk about what cucumbers are actually good for. Beyond the obvious salad slice, fresh eating is the most common use, but they're also a top choice for pickling, which is one of the oldest food preservation methods there is. Cucumber juice and cucumber water have become popular in the wellness space for hydration. And in skincare, cucumber extract shows up constantly in cooling gels and under-eye treatments because of its natural soothing, hydrating properties. Here's the part most home growers never think about. Cucumbers aren't just a kitchen vegetable. They're a genuinely steady seller at farmers markets and to local restaurants, especially specialty varieties like Persian, Armenian, or lemon cucumbers, which most grocery stores don't carry, but plenty of buyers are specifically looking for, because cucumbers produce continuously through the season. Once your plants are established, you're not just growing a one-time harvest, you're growing a repeat, ongoing supply, which is exactly the kind of crop that works well if you ever want to turn a home garden into something small and profitable, even just selling extra at a local stand or to neighbors. So if you're planting cucumbers this season, you're not just growing something to eat, you're growing one of the easiest, fastest, most versatile plants there is. And if you ever wanted a low-risk way to test whether growing to sell is something you'd enjoy, this is one of the most beginner-friendly places to start. If this helped you, let me know in the comments if you're growing cucumbers this season, and subscribe if you want more simple, practical growing guides like this one, with a little bit of the bigger picture included too.